Hey winter sports enthusiasts, today we're diving into the innovative Neon Hype S3 ski goggles. Let's talk about what makes these goggles special. The Hype S3 features a sleek, minimalist design that doesn't just look great, it's engineered for performance. At its heart is an impressive wide-view lens that gives you an expansive field of vision, crucial for spotting those obstacles when you're carving down the mountain. What really sets these goggles apart is their advanced cylindrical double lens construction. They've incorporated cutting-edge Tronic technology that enhances detail definition on the slopes, so you can see every bump and contour with crystal clarity. And don't worry about fog or scratches. These lenses are equipped with both anti-fog and anti-scratch treatments, plus 100% UV protection to keep your eyes safe in the harsh mountain environment. Comfort is key when you're out all day, and the Hype S3 delivers. The frame is crafted from soft TPU material, while the face cushioning uses hypoallergenic triple-density foam that feels like a cloud against your skin. They've even added a silicone-lined strap with anti-slip technology to keep your goggles exactly where they should be. Here's a pro tip. You can purchase additional lenses for different weather conditions, making these goggles versatile for any day on the mountain, from bright sunshine to overcast conditions. The Neon Hype S3 is proof that you don't have to compromise between style, comfort, and performance. If you're serious about your mountain adventures, these goggles deserve a spot in your gear collection. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay updated with more gear reviews and mountain sports content. Drop a comment below with your thoughts on the Hype S3 and let us know what gear you'd like us to review next. See you on the slopes.